Hi everyone, Trent Johnson here with L2L's marketing team to tell you about our newest module, L2L Connect. Imagine this situation. You're a maintenance manager and you've done as much preventative maintenance as you possibly could do. However, a freak occurrence happens and your machine goes down, which shuts down the entire production line. Everyone's looking at you for an explanation, but what else could you have done? The only other thing you could have done is use real-time system and machine level data to predict when occurrences are going to happen and nip them in the bud before they shut down the line. And that's where L2L Connect comes in. With 3 different offerings, a starter, an accelerator, and a complete, L2L Connect allows you to access your system and machine level data so that you can get ahead of issues with predictive maintenance solutions. Our starter solution consists of L2L's Open API library, which allows you to make integrations with your ERP, MES, QMS, and other software systems within your factory. Our second L2L Connect offering includes the Open API library access, but also has a pre-built connector to Inductive Automation's Ignition module. This way, if you already have an Ignition deployment, you can very easily integrate with L2L Connect without all the time and hassle it takes to build the integration yourself. The third offering, L2L Connect Complete, gives you access to the API library, the pre-built connector, and a hardware component that allows you to access machine-level data from your existing sensors and PLCs on your shop floor. The L2L Connect Complete solution will allow you to gather, transmit, and analyze your data so that you can develop your own predictive maintenance solution. The greatest part about L2L Connect Complete is that not only is it a robust solution, but it's incredibly easy to install, allowing you to very quickly and easily access that machine level data and get those predictive maintenance solutions up and running. So no matter whether you need API access, a pre-built connector, or hardware that will allow you to access your machine data, L2L Connect has you covered. Reach out to us today at the email on the screen and find out more about L2L Connect. I'll see you next time with more exciting news about upcoming L2L product releases. Thanks a lot.